What's up guys? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create a project in Asana. Once you're inside Asana, go ahead and look towards the left hand side and you will find a project icon. You'll find a project section here with a little plus towards the right. If you click on that, you can create a new project. So you just need to click on that. Now from here, you can do multiple things, right? You can go ahead and create a project using existing templates that you have here, or you can just use something blank. Even if you have, for example, like your own template or setup, you can import that as well by clicking on the import on the upper right hand side. Now, for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just going to choose something that is here. So let's just have a look through the tabs and see what's there. This is, for example, my organization. These are templates. If you create templates, these will be here, or even you'll find them for you. You'll find them at the top as well. So let's continue. Let's see what is here. You can do creative requests. You can do content calendar, campaign management, goal settings. I think this is not a bad goal setting operation. So I'm going to click on that, for example, and let's use this template right here. Just click and use. Now you can choose if you want to use the existing name or you want to rename it, and you can also choose which one of your workspace. If you have multiple workspace, you will be able to choose that as well. In my case, I have one here, so I'm going to just leave this workspace right here and leave the name as well and just click on create project, and you will see it quickly loads the project on the lower left hand side, and it's going to appear right here on the projects in a moment. Here you can see it. This is the template. All templates are fully customizable, and so you can always go back and make any changes or just click anywhere and try to make changes. Even if I want to later change the name of the project, I can just click in it and change it. Let's say I don't like when the S and the O are lowercase, I can just go ahead and say like uppercase for settings and operations and basic stuff like that, right? But you can do quite a lot, fully customizable, and so you can even add even more dashboards here. So here you have dashboards, here you have assigned to me, and if you want to add more tabs, you can go ahead and start adding those in as well. But that's it. That's how you can easily create a project in Asana.